So I'm in an elevator and we just stopped in an express zone. This is weird. Oh, that's weird. Alright then. What the fuck? Just like stopped in the middle of the fucking express zone. It's so weird. Alright then. This is a Schindler. Or possibly a late one. Ooh. Oh good, we're gonna go somewhere. Yes. Sure COP. Never mind. Right then. Let's get a cab view. Oh shit, yes. Alright, where's it gonna go? Watch it just stop again. It just like chills in the middle of the express zone. Oh, here we go. Oh yes. Alright, watch me get busted. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Went to this random ass floor. There's a lake. Alright. That's weird. Right then. This is so fucking weird. It's gonna go to 18 now, 17, 16, 15, we're already on 14, 13, 12, 11, no 10, 9, 3, oh, okay, we'll go to 3. That was like locked like 2 minutes ago, but now it's not, I guess. Okay. These things are weird. I wonder if that used to be an indicator. Oh. Nice, 3 chimes just to top it all off. Try again. No. And alright, you know what? Nope. My dumbass thought I could push LL then door open. God. Alright, send this bitch up to 3. Oh fuck, there's a camera. Alright then. Oh, look at that. Look at this guy. You know, my dentist office used to be in this building. Oh, okay. We can go to 7. It's just kind of a grab bag of floors that we can go to. Not sure there's any actual patterns, but okay. I'm not complaining. Watch like the second I... Oh, that one's way brighter. The second I get out, someone's gonna be like, what are you doing here, young man? ZS, impact where it matters. Ooh, edgy. Hey, it's the elevators of Lake County Lantern. Alright, send this bitch on 3. Cause I'm fucking thirsty. Oh, same one. Just kind of fucked off to like, God knows where for like 2 seconds. Only to come back down. Alright. Actually, I'll film myself walking out. Just in case the security lady out there saw this horrible ordeal. Then I'll get questioned. Oh. Okay. Now you get to hear ASMR. Fuck yes. Ooh, what the fuck? Oh, never mind. Alright, time to fuck out of here. Oh, I guess that only goes up. Alright then. Let's find funny since there's a freaking down lantern. Oh, shite. Serious, what the oh, damn. What the fuck? There's an entire ass auditorium. So apparently there's glass elevators down here. Let's see this. Oh, damn. Look at that. Are you fucking... Oh! Damn it. Alright, crap. Alright. That would have been cool if they weren't stinkers and locked them up.
Can I help you find something?
Oh, no, I was just checking something. But thank you, though. I think just in the wrong building.
Oh, okay.
Have a good one.
All right. If you need help, she could probably help you find where
Oh,
you
yeah. I think I'm just in the wrong building.
All right, good night.
Yeah, I think I was in the wrong building. Sorry. You have a good day.